On today's first look, we have a 1957 Chevrolet Nomad coming to you from the Raser Collection. This is a multiple award-winning car at the Antique Automobile Club of America, their national first prize winner. Also, this Nomad has received a perfect score, 1,000 out of 1,000 points at the 39th annual Eklers Chevrolet Classic Club International Convention, and it garnered the Platinum Award. So 1,000 points, multiple show-winning car. The level of detail done on this car is amazing. It has started life with its Power Pack 283 engine, Power Glide, automatic transmission. It's finished in beautiful Coronado yellow with white over it. On the inside, it has the silver and black interior. It has air conditioning. It has the Wonder Bar radio. And what I also love about these, the way that the Nomads look, the rib top, as we all know, the sliding rear window, but the way the rear window works and the way that the seat folds in the back. Beautiful car. The vinyl flooring, it is done to the 9s. Actually done to the 1000s because it's a perfect car. And it's coming to you at no reserve at our Scottsdale auction this year in March 2021, the 20th through the 27th. If you can't make it, you can bid on the phone, the internet, but best of all, come enjoy our weather here in March in beautiful Scottsdale, Arizona, and pick up a beauty like this at no reserve.